How's it going, everybody? Larry here from Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Today is Mail Call Day plus Show and Tell Day. What's in this bag? I've recreated some new designs for t-shirts, new colors. And currently we have another one we're working on that's going to be a space kind of shirt, like a flying saucer. And I'm still working on how I want that to turn out. So it's going to be pretty cool. Now, you can find these shirts at the Store Frontier. And all this information will be in the description box, the description box below. Blah, 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 and how you can pick them up. Now, I've had the prices drop as low as they can go. So they're at a pretty good price right now. So let's open it up and show you what's going on. The fun part. All right. I have been busy. Many doctor appointments today. And I've been getting behind. So, here we go. Here is the purple. Isn't that real pretty? For those who like a different color. And it says LarryFountainPens.com. That's the website. And then we have a blank one with a nice pink backup on that as well. And then we got a new design coming up here. Let me get this going on for you. Right here. With my specs. Larry's Fountain Pens Review. It's a pretty cool shirt. Yeah, so you can find these on the store at the, where, Mr. Announcer?
StoreFrontier.com.
And it also has that long sleeve one that I have as well. Now, these shirts are down to, I think, 13 bucks. That's a pretty good price. And this long sleeve one that has both sides, got it down to, I believe, 18 bucks. That's really a deal. And then, like I said, I'm working on some new designs that are really going to be cool. Tell me what kind of designs you would be interested in. I'd love to hear what your input would be. Leave it in the comments below. Well, folks, that's going to wrap this one up for today. Until my next mail call day, be cool, stay cool, because you are the coolest. God bless. Have fun. Ink it up, baby. Rock and roll is here to stay. And as always, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.